Hey, welcome to my channel, Future Data Scientist. I am Harish Kumar, and guess what? I'm here to make huge promise to you for entire year of the 2025. For next 35 days, I am going to your personal guide through the world of the data scientist and AI. And I'm not just talking about the regular tutorial. Oh, no. Oh no, we are going to have a fun while learning. Laugh at the AI joke also. And make you remember everything with cool examples and emojis. So I promise that upload one video every single day. Okay, in 2025. That's right. 35 days means 35 videos. Each one packed with amazing knowledge, real world applications, and interactive challenges. And no, I am not going to make you memorize boring stuff. We are going to learn with fun, and I will make sure you can apply what you learn right away. So we are we are going to cover everything from Python programming, deep learning, machine learning to AI in the real life, and so much more. Each day we will bring something new, and we will dive into topics like building your first AI model, understand neural network, creating chatbot, and even making AI art. Okay, so are you ready to start this incredible journey with me? Let's make 2025 the year of the data scientist. I can't wait to get started and learn with all of you. Don't forget like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss a day of the epic adventure. So let's go this. Get ready for day one coming tomorrow. See you here. Thank you.